You?
You know how scripture says that he who finds a wife finds a good thing? So my question is like, is it wrong for a woman to like take the first step? Like,
Alright, the question is, scripture says, he that finds a wife finds a good thing. Therefore, is it wrong for a woman to take the first step? Let's start off there. He doesn't say he that finds a woman that will be his wife. He says he that finds a wife. Alright. The finding here that we're talking about is somebody who can respond to your call as to where you're going before you even marry them. With me?
Yes.
The reason you're marrying them is because they've already responded to that call. There's a place that you are going and they already are responding to it. You with me?
Yes.
They're not waiting to marry you to help you. They already are available before. Are you?
Yes.
Well, sometimes we watch certain men, which is why it's very dangerous. If a man is married, then he has got a female personal assistant. Yeah. Because you see, what happens is there are certain things that are prescribed on a job. Do this, help with this, help with that, help with that, do this, do this. Then there are times when she will begin to assist with stuff which is not really even prescribed. Going the extra mile. Right? Not messed up things, like really, like just, doing certain things for him which he has to ask his wife to. You see what I mean?
Yes.
Look, we did mention that, things like cooking are not, it's not what we're talking about when we talk about health. But now if you find the personal assistant knows he's hungry and will cook, but you have to be begged to. You with me? You start to find certain issues start being thrown into that man. Because now he is a girl who he turned into a wife, and now he's found a wife. Are you with me?
Yes.
You follow?
Yes.
It tells you that, it goes on to say that, finds a good thing and, he obtains favor from God. Because you see, this thing, it's God who helps you in that process as a man. Because what you do is, a man presents who he is, what he's carrying, where he's going, not what he can do for you. A man who presents what he can do for you will finish you, will destroy you. When the devil comes to Jesus, he's already telling him, I can do this for you, I can do this for you, I'll give you this and that. But when God came to men, not once did he say those. You wouldn't start making those kind of promises. Later on, you would speak of those kind of things. But that wasn't what God would start off by saying. God would show you His vision. Even when He calls us to be Christians, He tells us about His vision and where He wants us to take it. Before telling you, I want you to be this, I want you to be that.
That's true.
I'm gonna do this for you and that. Right?
Yes, Father.
So the women have fallen for a man who will come and show you what they can do for you. So you do see the house, you see the car. You see him taking care of your mom. You see him do this. Oh, it's so nice. Takes care of my mom, takes care of this. I don't even need to ask him. He gets this done and this. Are you with me?
Yes, Father.
You are the wife. You are not your wife. That man, when he presents to you where he's going, what he's carrying, something in you wants to be available to that,
Yes,
with nothing in return.
sure.
Are you with me?
Yes, Father.
With nothing in return. Because the moment you start wanting something in return, whatever he does for you now, from that moment, would have something tied to it that he needs in return. That's why you find now, if a man offers to pay your rent, offers to take you home, offers to buy you lunch, your groceries, clear off your debt, buy your phone, a car,
Yeah.
chances are, everything, he's already seen his payment. Someone will not pay a price for something that he cannot see on display. He's already seen it in you, that which he wants can come out.
Hey, Father.
Sort of good faith, he will pay you first. And require it when it is needed. Are you with me?
Yes.
So, what we're talking about here when he says, he that finds a wife finds a good thing. He's saying when a man goes, presents who he is, what he's carrying, where he's going, a woman who already presents availability to help with nothing attached as a wife. That is coming from God. It is God's favor towards him. But it is a very hard thing. Some people are wives by marriage, not by definition. You're a wife because of a ring. Not if we were to define you as a wife, the definition of a wife, you wouldn't even fit in.
My goodness.
That's deep.
Adam's wife, if you were to define the wife of today, put her aside, she won't match. Everything.
Yes, Father.
No ring, no wedding. She was a wife from the moment he saw her. Everything.
Yes, Father.
Not somebody who cooks for him. Wife. She was already before. Are you there?
Yes.
So you see, what you are asking is actually how a wife should be, where she makes available to the vision that she sees. Not in any man. There's a certain man who will present a certain vision and you will see. Are you with me? And there will be something in you that can meet the demands of it. In you, I didn't say on you. That will meet the demands of it. So what is it in you that meets the demands of those things? Are you with me?
Yes.
The body will never meet the demands of any vision.
Yes.
If you want to see yourself as a man, like what said, yeah, you can present yourself to avail yourself. Right? But if you look at yourself and there's nothing to avail from the inside, that you have to look outside. You with me? You are not a wife. You're probably struggling with lust yourself.
Yes.
You with me? You see,
Yes, Father.
lust is more about your body than the body of the other person. The body of the other person is just the answer. The rest, the equation, everything is yours. The demands, everything is in yours. The answer to it is that one. With me. If you find out he's the one, you don't even know how to answer why. With me. There is no answer. I hear you. I get it.
Yes.
So there'll be something in you that will avail itself towards that vision. You're with me?
Yes.
And I'm not talking about time. To say, yeah, no, I'm available. You got time? You're with me?
Yes.
Time, of course, is for all men. With it.
Yes.
So absolutely, the woman, that's even how God did it. When He made the woman, He drew it, right? You with me?
Yes, Father.
But you see, I'm not saying throw yourself on men.
Yes, Father.
I'm saying there's something in you that God will pull to avail towards. He's the one who will pull it, not you. You won't even be able to rest anymore. You with me? You are going for that vision, not for the guy. You are so focused on the vision that even if you didn't have to be the wife, as long as that vision is fulfilled, you'll be happy.
That's true. That's true.
That one is the wife. The one who, for her, the focus was the fulfillment of that which God gave. Whether or not it was him, her, or somebody else, as long as she's available for it, that one is the wife.